Good morning, and this is Steve. It is May 14th, 2019. I just want to say good morning to you. I'm going to have a simple but nutrient-dense, packed breakfast here, so that way I can get my nutrients, and then say like in an hour and a half, I can work out versus having the maybe typical breakfast that's maybe high in fat and a lot of calories, and you have to wait like 3+ hours, to work out. So what I'm going to make is a meal replacement shake with chocolate Shakeology. It is high in fiber, has about 17 grams of carbohydrates. It's very low in fat and sugar. It has protein. It's going to give me energy. I had this yesterday for work because I was running late, and I didn't want to skip breakfast because that's the most important meal of the day. So I had a shake, and it kept me full till when I had my mid-morning snack like 2-3 hours later. So what I'm going to do is I have a cup of skim milk. I'm just going to put it in the blender. I have a scoop of the shake. I like chocolate. The main ingredient, it has whey protein. It does come in vegan flavors, chocolate, green berry, and that's non-dairy if you're lactose intolerant. So I'm just going to put this up on the blender. I'm going to add some ice cubes in it. Now, the shake has exotic fruits from all around the world. You get many great fruits that are mixed into it, and it tastes like a McDonald's shake or a Chick-fil-A shake, but without the sugar, okay, the empty calories. This is a meal replacement shake that I usually drink each day. And it also comes in, for you coffee lovers, it comes in cafe mocha. So instead of paying $4 or $5 for your coffee, every day, why not try the shake in that flavor? I've tried it before, and I'm not a coffee drinker, and it tastes really great. But it has all these nutrient foods that are in it that will help you. So I'm just going to put it in the blender here. Nice and thick. I can put it in one of my containers, on the go if I need to take it to work, or if I'm at home, I just drink it right here, out of the blender. I've been drinking this about 4.5 years now, and it is just really good. It doesn't take long to digest because it's very low in fat. It has fiber, protein, carbohydrates that you need to start your day off. I've used it before running in races, and it's given me a little bit of a pep. I'll run like a hour and a half later. So instead of just fasting, sleeping all night, and then going to run a race and I feel tired, I have some of this in my system that gives me energy. So if you are interested in learning more about the Shakeology, I can definitely help you out. Message me, below that you're interested. I'm on Facebook. I'm on Twitter, Instagram, and LinkedIn. Again, my name is Steve Fovozzo. F as in Frank, O as in Oscar, V as in Victor, O as in Oscar, double Z as in zebra, O as in Oscar. Just adding one nutrition-based meal a day makes a difference. It will make a difference in your life. So thanks for watching, and I hope your day is going great.